Masala Mama here, posting my imli chutney recipe. You can make these and keep them in your fridge for up to 4 months. Let's make it. This recipe I've been making for years and I can do it with my eyes closed. It's very easy. You're going to take your tamarind paste, and even though it says seedless, don't believe them. Trust me, they have seeds in them. Pour boiling water on top, cover, let it sit for a couple of hours. It will soften, and all you have to do, once it's a little bit cool to touch, is break it up and separate the seeds from the pulp. Take everything out, put it in the sieve, and start pushing the pulp out. Use your hands. Trust me, it's a lot easier. And you can pour water on top to help pushing all this pulp out. I used about 2.5 cups water to help push everything out. Discard all the seeds. And once that is done, you're going to put everything back into the pot. If you don't use the sugar, this is going to be a very sour chutney, and I like it more sweet and sour. You're going to cook this on low-medium heat to the consistency that you like. I finished cooking it last night and left it to cool overnight. And you can always add water if you want it thinner. This recipe made 4 cups, or this imli chutney can be kept in the fridge for up to 4 months. It's a very easy chutney to make. Follow me on my YouTube channel.